Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on two-step verification on Shopify. The first thing you do is log into your Shopify account, your credentials, and once you're in, you click on the profile icon top right corner, click on manage accounts, and then you click on security, and you can see two-step authentication. So it's off right now, turn it on. So turn on two-step verification. So you need an authenticator app. So using the app to enter authentication code that you need to enter when you log in. Scan the code. The QR code using a supported authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Duo. After you scan the QR code, you will receive a 6-digit confirmation code to enter below. Then put in a 6-digit confirmation code and you tap on turn in. It's as simple as that. Turn on actually, it's simple as that. So if I did helpful, if you did like, consider to share for more. Thanks for watching.